Good afternoon. This is Pseudonymous. We like to explain how we conducted our cyber attack last month. After thorough research, we found an attack vector. Alas, it was not as easy as it would have seemed. Aha! There it is. Oh my god! Aha! Finally we made it in. But there was some more difficulty. Eventually, we decided to just speak to you. Thanks for your attention. Have a good one.
Won't fight again, always on the run. Pray for your gods, scars my heart. Souls want me, follow for the scene. Our time is now, God, here we go. Weeping willow inside they grow. Wait forever, but together. Unrest, souls walking behind.
Oh, and we heard you like goats like this.
Gods went away, they didn't stay. Why you and me, I'll never see.